Let's continue with the next topic, managing the garbage we produce. उस garbage को manage करना जो हम produce करते हैं means human beings. The household waste is called garbage. Every household produces a lot of garbage daily. This garbage includes leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels, fallen leaves of potted plant, waste paper, unwanted plastic objects like plastic bottles, polythene bags, toys, etc. Glass article like glass bottle, broken window pans, etc. Metal object like an aluminium foil, rusted iron grill, etc. Old wooden object, discarded shoes and sewage. Some of the garbage are biodegradable, whereas a major part of it is non-biodegradable. If the household garbage is not disposed of properly, it can pollute the environment. अगर household garbage पूरी तरह dispose नहीं होता है, degrade नहीं होता है, तो वो क्या करता है, environment में pollution create करता है. Disposal of waste means to get rid of waste. The disposal of waste should be done in a scientific way. The method to be used depend on the nature of waste. Some of the important modes of waste disposal are recycling, preparation of compost, incineration, landfill, sewage treatment. We will now describe all these methods of waste disposal briefly one by one. Let us start with recycling. As you know, recycling means दोबारा से किसी चीज़ की स्टार्टिंग करना ना. The solid waste like paper, plastic and metal etc. are recycled. For example, waste paper is sent to paper mills where it is reprocessed to form new paper once again. The broken plastic article like plastic bags, bucket, bowls, cups, plates etc. are sent to plastic processing factories where they are melted and remolded to make new articles. Similarly, waste material like metal, plastic bags etc. are sent to metal industries where they are melted and recycled for various purposes. Next is preparation of compost. Biodegradable domestic waste such as leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels and leaves of potted plant etc. can be converted into compost by burying in a pit dug into the ground and used as manure. The third one is incineration. Incineration means reducing to ashes. The burning of a substance at high temperature to form ash is called incineration. Incineration is used to destroy household waste, chemical waste and biological waste. Incineration greatly reduces the volume of the waste. This is because when the large volume of waste material is burned, then only a small amount of ash is left behind which can be disposed of by landfill. Incineration is carried out in an incinerator. It is a kind of furnace. The waste disposal on a large scale by using incinerator is done by municipality of the city. The next one is landfill. The disposal of waste by putting it in low-lying area of ground and covering it with earth is called landfill. Most of the solid waste in urban areas is dumped in low-lying area of ground and covered with earth to the level of uneven ground. A big landfill site can be used to dispose of waste material for a considerable time. The next one is sewage treatment. The dirty drain water containing urine and feces which is carried from our homes by the underground pipes is called sewage. If untreated sewage is dumped into the river, it can pollute the river water. Thus, sewage is disposed of by treating it at the sewage treatment plant. The treatment of sewage produces clean water which is discharged into the river. The organic matter present in sewage is digested in the digesters of sewage treatment plant to produce sewage gas and manure. Thank you.